Today we will discuss the topic drainage pattern, lakes and importance of rivers. Drainage pattern. Depending on the slope of the land, underlying rock structure as well as the climatic conditions of the area, the stream within a drainage basin form certain patterns. These are dendritic, trellis, rectangular and radial patterns. Now we will discuss one by one what is dendritic pattern. This pattern develops where the channel follows the slope of the terrain. The stream with its tributaries resembles like the branches of the tree, thus named dendritic. Next is trellis pattern. This pattern formed by river joined by its tributaries at approximately at their right angles. A trellis drainage pattern it develops where hard and soft rocks exist parallel to each other. Then comes rectangular pattern. This pattern develops on a strongly jointed rocky terrain. Next is radial pattern. It develops when streams flow in different direction from a central peak or dome-like structure. Here you can see the four drainage pattern with the help of diagram. Next comes lakes. India has many lakes which differ from each other in their size as well as their characteristics. Most of the lakes are permanent while some contain water only during monsoon season. Some of the lakes are result of the action of the glaciers and ice sheets. Some have been formed by the action of wind, river and activities by human. A meandering river across a flood plains forms cutoffs that later develop into oxbow lakes. Now what are oxbow lakes? These are U-shaped lake that forms when wide meander of river is cut off. These are known as oxbow lakes. Here you can see in this diagram meander and oxbow lakes. Now some lakes are of fresh water in the Himalayan region. These are formed when glaciers dug out a basin which later filled with melting of snow. The example of this is Wular Lake in Jammu Kashmir. Example Wular Lake in Jammu Kashmir that I have already told you. It is formed by tectonic activity which is also the largest freshwater lake in India. Next is artificial lakes. When dams are made of rivers for the hydropower generation, it is also led to the formation of lakes. Example is Guru Gobind Sagar Lake is an artificial lake. Now role of rivers in the economy. From ancient times, river banks attracted settlers as the water from rivers is basic natural resource essential for various human activities. Rivers are used for irrigation, navigation and hydropower generation. Now what is river pollution? The demand of water from river is increasing to meet the growing domestic, municipal, industrial and agriculture need which is naturally affects the quality of water. Also heavy load of untreated sewage in industrial effluents are imputed into the rivers which affects not only the quality of water but also the self-cleansing capacity of the river. Concern over rising pollution in our rivers led to the launching of various action plans to clean the rivers. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned.